Committed by jersey number 16, Panarillo. First personal foul. First team foul. Venezuela. Wala pa rin. Pass break na naman. Super lakas. Airball. Jersey number 11. Naghahanap ng mga kataan sa number 26, Venezuela. Nakuha ang bola. Mamadali. Na-import. Uy! Wala na si Chonay! Foul. Jersey number 1. First personal foul. Second team foul. The score is good. Two for two. Jersey number 26. The import. Pass to Velasco. Back to jersey number 18. Number 13, Kuya Andres. Wala. Venezuela. Uy! Step traveling violation. Jersey number 18. Back to number 1, to Garcia. To Velasco. Velasco, tumira ng tres. Wala. Number 18, import. Pass to jersey number 11. Wala pa rin. Pass break na naman. Velasco, jersey number 6, using the glass. 2 points. Venezuela. Number 11. Alamido, wala pa rin. Follow shot, good. Uy! Umikot! Ang ganda naman noon. Spin. Tapos spin. Jersey number 17, pull-up jump, wala. Followed by number 26, follow. Back to back, 2 points for jersey number 6, the last 12. The number 11. Number 11, sumaksak, pinasa kay number 17, tumira, wala. Jersey number 13, to number 16, to the import. Wala na lang, smooth! Sayang. Salasalahan na lang. Uy! Nakakamad! Coloma, presented by the import. Number 11, number 11. Sayang. Tumira ng tres, 3 points, jersey number 11. Coloma. Pass to Velasco. Back to Coloma. Pamarillo. Import. 8 to shoot. Velasco to Coloma. Pull-up jump. Wala. Save ball. Substitution rep. Number 7 out.